How do you win the Big Ten championship in the year 2025? The Big Ten is more competitive than ever before. The average mark remains consistent at about 505. However, the mark required to win the Big Ten championship and the mark required to be at the top of the outdoor lists has been steadily increasing ever since the year 2010. The last 2 years have been especially competitive, with 18 feet being a must-clear mark to win in 2023, 18 foot 1 being required to win in 2024. Now, how do you win the Big Ten championship in the year 2025? Well, you're going to have to be a top 3 seed, that is, top 3 in the outdoor list, to have any reasonable shot at winning the championship. And even if you are the 1 seed, you still have less than a 50% chance at winning the championship. Now, Minnesota and Indiana have the most Big Ten championships per team. Each have 4 of the 14 championships won to them. Juniors and seniors are more likely to win the Big Ten championship. Freshmen and sophomores each only have 2 of the 14 championships won to their class. Now, does that mean that if you're a freshman phenom, you're going to go on and dominate sophomore, junior, and senior year? No, not at all, and here's why. As you can see from this box plot, the freshman class is the only box that has outliers. And these outliers would not be outliers in any of the other classes. Now, the average improvement within the Big Ten is 20 centimeters. So what this tells me is that the freshman phenoms do not improve very much throughout the course of their careers. Otherwise, this point right here at 5'4" would be up at 5'6" somewhere else, and that is not the case. Now, you have the other scenario as well. So for people such as myself, I was at 5'05" my freshman year. I was down here. I was in the box. And then sophomore year, I jumped 5'5", well outside of it. And that's where you need to be. You need to be right around the 18-foot mark to have any reasonable shot at winning the championship. And so, some people are freshman phenoms. They jump really high their first year and then more or less stay there. And other people from within the box catch up later on. And there's the elephant in the room, which is that there are 4 new teams entering the conference from the West Coast. To conclude, what do you need to win the Big Ten championship in the year 2025? Well, you're going to have to be a top 3 seed within the conference, and you're going to have to put 18 feet at the Big Ten meet. And that might not even be enough. 17'11" was not enough to win the Big Ten in the year 2024. You might have to jump 18'2", 18'3", 18'4". The Big Ten is more competitive than ever before, and you're going to have to jump higher than you've ever jumped in order to win it again. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.